This is Tim from Your Tech Studios. Today in the studio I'm going to show you how to turn off Gemini on your Android phone. So the first way we can do this is just go to the top right and go to settings and scroll on down to applications. And we can find an application for Gemini and we can just switch it off under there. So just going down to the G section and we can find Gemini in here. Here's Gemini. And we can simply just try to disable it. And you can disable the app right there. So click disable. Now I can enable it here. So click disable and it shouldn't work. Now another way you can do this is probably the one you want to do, is just go to settings, scroll on down, and I'll show you how to do this on my other phone too because it's a little bit different. So this is my Google Pixel phone. Scroll on down from the top right to right here, and then we want to go to where it says this is going to be under where it says system. Then we want to go to gestures. Now we want to go to press and hold power button, and we can go to digital assistant to power menu, and that'll get off Gemini. On my Samsung phone we want to go to advanced features, side button, it'll be the same thing now, digital assistant, long press, and then we can just go to the power menu. Now when we press the power button, watch what happens. Well, it turns off. But if we hold it down, the power menu will open up instead of the digital assistant. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.